Today we got a video from Bodycam K9 and the title of the video is entitled Girls Go Wild on Halloween.
I'm calling my mama. You don't have to touch me, officer. Officer, I have a lawyer.
Get on the sidewalk.
Please tell me what the reason is.
Get on the sidewalk, you're going to jail too. Hang on, I'll get more handcuffs.
If you put your fingers in my face again, you're going to jail. Beyond 25 feet, or I'm putting you in handcuffs. Start moving.
On November 11th, 2024, officers responded to an altercation at a club. Club security pointed out the suspect in question.
You stay over there. I don't care. You stay right there. Go find out what happened.
We're just
Yes.
gonna talk, okay?
Okay, my boy
What happened?
Hugh Hefner.
I don't know. With whatever was going on with those dudes. What dude? Listen, I'm gonna just put you in handcuffs right now. Okay. Listen, they come off just as easy as they come on. Okay. So just let my partners
Relax. Stay over there. Stay over there. Stay over there.
Listen,
Stay over there, and I'll talk to you in a minute.
I'm for what? Come on over here. Come on over here. Get very far. I'm not even gonna put you in the back seat.
Stay over there. I will talk. I will tell you in a minute. I need you to get out of the roadway, please. No, you need to be beyond 25 feet of what we're doing. I need you to get over there across the street. I will tell you in a minute. Right now, I'm not going to spend time talking to you. I need to be with this officer. I don't know if he's going anywhere yet, but I need you to go over there for me. Okay.
Tell me what happened.
I got a couple drinks. That's it.
Inside?
Literally. I'm not lying. Like, what are you saying what happened?
That's what I'm asking. What happened? Literally, what happened? That's what I'm asking. No, I'm asking you what happened.
Yeah, if one of the units on First Avenue North are able to come over, break free, and come over to Central. We just need one more to stand by Officer Yancey. After 22, we got somebody over there.
What are they saying? Please tell me what are they saying happened?
Can you just stay 10-12 with him?
Way over there.
Can I still talk to you?
Sure, you can talk to everybody else.
Okay, can you go over there? Oh my god, go over there. Okay,
I think we should just
go. Please, okay, I will. If he doesn't want to talk to me no more, he said I can stay right here and talk to him. Just wait. His date of birth it's in November. I don't know fully right now. I met him a couple months ago. But I do know that y'all was trying to arrest my hair.
Who is he?
I have no idea.
You're going to talk to him.
You're in the car. Y'all are harassing me, bro. I need you to get in. I'm getting in. You're not getting in.
Sir, I need you beyond 25 feet or you're going to jail.
You're witness for your
Okay, I don't care. Get gone now or you're going to jail. If you put your fingers in my face again, you're going to jail. Beyond 25 feet or I'm putting you in handcuffs. Start moving.
We do not know him. We do not know him. He knows that. We do not know him. No, I'll wait for the officer.
You're going to wait over there or you're going to go with him to jail.
You're upset because I literally just checked you.
Are you going to wait over there? Your friend, you should probably take her
I'm
over
going to talk to him. Can I ask you a question?
Nope, you're going to wait over there.
I'm going to talk to him.
Hold on, I gotta run it back for the fellas real quick, man. I ain't gonna leave y'all hanging, man. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, but first, I'm running back a little bit. I know what the fellas want to see, man. I know what the fellas want to see. But yeah, man, this guy, I thought the officer said, not this guy right here, but I thought the officers told the one dude that he needed to be across the street. So what, he went across the street and then brought the whole fam or friend group across the street? Like, what? To be in front of the scene? Like, I don't understand it. They got to get this crowd control together, man. And this guy right here, he just looked like a lunatic. He looked bugged out. I ain't gonna lie to you.
We do not know him. We do not know him. He knows that. We do not know him. No, I'll wait for the officer.
You're going to wait over there or you're going to go with him to jail.
You're upset upset because I literally just checked you.
Are you gonna wait over there? Your friend, you should probably take her.
I'm gonna talk to him. Can I ask you a question?
Nope, you're gonna wait over there.
I'm gonna talk to him. He's asking you to
I'm telling you to go over there now.
Now you wanna get out.
You need to go over there now.
I told you to go. And now you're
Stupid ass, fuck ass stuff.
Go.
Like y'all think y'all have such authority because y'all then take me there.
You need to go. You need to go sit down over there.
May I ask you a question? I'm not trying to.
Right now. We're trying to figure this out. Nope.
Officers let the suspect go after briefly detaining him. They then noticed the same man swing at a woman.
No, get out of my way. Get out of my way.
Wait, hold on. What?
Briefly detaining him. They then noticed the same man swing at a woman.
Yeah, but she touched him first,
Get out
though.
of my way. Get out of my way. Go.
Wait, hold on. Look at that video, though. The lady touches him first. Hold on now. Come on, man. Hold on. Can I zoom this in? I can't zoom it in. Dang. All right.
Suspect go after briefly detaining him. They then noticed the same man swing at a woman.
She touches his shoulder and he swipes her away.
Get out of my way. Go. I'm calling him. How you going?
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, she getting locked up. She getting locked up for sure.
Put your hands behind your back. Roll my way.
Get back now. Get back.
my mama the way. Roll my way. All right, I got his left one. Let go your left. Put your right in.
Get back now. Get back. Now it's all being recorded on this.
Stop kicking me! Stop kicking me!
Now it's all being recorded on this.
I didn't do
You might just be detained.
Please
You're detained.
get back.
Okay, sorry.
Y'all the I'm calling my mama.
He swung at her.
I did not swing at nobody.
Get her elbow off her. She was grabbing his elbow.
Yeah, that's what happened. I ain't gonna lie. Him getting locked up is not fair. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not. Yeah, nah. Him getting locked up ain't right. She swiped at him.
Officers let the suspect go after briefly detaining him. They then noticed the same man swing at a woman.
No. Yeah, she was touching his elbow and shit.
Swear to God, bro, stop.
No, we just watched the whole thing. He did nothing. Y'all ran for him for what? He ran for him for what? Stop kicking me. I'm not resisting. I'm literally standing here. So don't kick my foot.
Resisting! What the f are you doing?
Get back.
You're literally attacking her. Record it.
Get back or you're going to jail.
Man, get his ass together, man. They talked to him about 5 times already.
That's fine. That's fine. You can get your way. No, if you do touch me, you're going to jail.
Stop resisting.
I'm walking. You stupid bitch. I'm walking.
And he shouldn't be locked up.
Get back. Stay back. Stay back. Stay back. Stay back.
Titus!
I can't walk. My foot hits you one time. Move your hand out my face. Like what? You know I'm not resisting like that. To the point that he needs to do that. Give them my phone. Okay, he's actually hurting my arm. No, he's actually hurting my arm.
Stop
Y'all
still.
understand my collarbone is broken. And y'all are hurt. I'm standing here. I'm standing here.
Ma'am, stay back.
Hey, yo! Give Titus my phone number. Give Titus my phone number.
Yeah, that's fine.
This is fake. Yeah, that's fake.
I know.
Oh, can you please?
Alex, you have anything else on you?
I'm literally showing him. Stop bending my arm. I'm showing him.
What is this? Does this snap right off?
Yeah, in the middle, by my belly button. Can you tell him to stop bending my arm like that?
Okay.
Can you tell him to stop? No, that's it. Can you tell him to stop bending my arm like that?
Well, we're gonna put you in the back of the car.
Just tell him to stop bending my arm like that. You don't understand. My shit is dislocated.
Okay.
Just tell him to stop.
I don't know.
Hey, yo, 1-0.
Let's see. Man, just stay back over there. Dude,
Oh my God. Oh my. Damn.
get in the car.
Get on the sidewalk.
Please tell me what the reason
Get on the sidewalk. We're going to jail too. Hang on, I'll get more handcuffs. Ben already left? Yeah. We'll have the transport.
Stop pulling it.
Hey, sir, do you want to start a money count, sir?
What's that, buddy?
You want to start a money count?
Oh, for God's sake, whose is this?
Fine, females. Yeah. She was getting ready to jump on your back. I grabbed her and then she hit me.
Oh, thank you. Saved my life.
Try.
I don't say Gucci.
The male was arrested and charged with disorderly conduct, brawling. The woman was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer and obstructing or resisting officer without violence. She later got a plea deal and was only sentenced for the resisting charge. Share your thoughts below.
Yeah, man. She's actually a decent, you know, the body is, woo, thicker than a Snicker, boy. I had to run it back for the fellas, man. But you open her mouth, I mean, not you open her mouth. When she opens her mouth, it's foul, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. But the guy shouldn't have got locked up. I don't know how well you was able to actually see that, but the girl, there's another girl, the girl that was taller that kept like trying to follow the cops and stuff like that. She touched his like shoulder or whatever, and he swiped her arm away. I don't think he should have got locked up for that. Like, that's, so I see why, like, what, his was dismissed, right? Or something. Like, yeah, because that, but the girl, you know, yeah, she was mad, which rightfully so. I mean, the friends were even saying that she was touching his elbow or whatever, and that is what happened, you know, and you probably don't see that, you know, until you see it on camera afterwards. You probably see it when you're seeing it in person. You probably thinking something else is happening, or you're looking at the wrong time and you only catch the hand movement or whatever. But she was grabbing on him first, though. You know, that is what happened. But anyways, yeah, I get officers. It's a tough one, man. Tough one, because the crowd control was pretty poor. I'm thinking, you know, even from the jump, it was poor. You know, even before everybody got, you know, arrested and all that stuff, having the friends come over and everything. So I'm gonna give like a 4. I give a 4 because they really got to work on that crowd control. There should just be one officer that's just doing that alone when you got a decent sized crowd like that. And then the other 2 are working on, you know, suspects or whoever, however many others you got. But yeah. Anyway, so 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.